Caffyn Engineering have had unprecedented growth in less than 1 year, and they say they couldn't have done it without the help of PSL Datatrack.
PSL Datatrack runs our business from quote to invoice and everything in between. We could not be where we are without PSL Datatrack.
Before we find out what PSL Datatrack has actually done for Caffyn Engineering, I think it's really important that we find out exactly what it is. So Charlie, PSL Datatrack, what is it?
Yeah, it's a production control software that runs our business from start to finish, from quotation stage right through all the processes to invoicing. So when a customer emails us with their requirements, we put the drawings into Datatrack, which then we can start our quoting, which then all, like here we've got, every new quote has a different separate quote number, which generates a works order, which then can generate your materials, your delivery notes, and it's fully traceable right back to the start. The good thing about PSL Datatrack is it's very bespoke to this market, to the engineering manufacturing market. Yeah, so we, like I said, it runs our business. We generate the quotation, and at the quotation stage, we put the information in on what we're doing. So for this example, we've got our quote number, and then we build a quote up to what we got to do. So we've got to cut material, we've got to allocate material, we've got to cut material, we've got to program the parts, turn it or mill it, give it all its processes. We do all that at quoting stage, so that when we send the quote off to the customer and then the customer orders, we don't have to put any information in again.
And you've just shown us a physical piece of paper here that's got all that information on. Now your colleagues have these around the whole facility. Yeah. However, you also have the board at the back, which is almost like a control system, so everybody here knows exactly what's happening.
Yeah, so we got these works orders here, which every single job has a separate works order, which makes that job traceable in our system, fully traceable to whoever manufactured it, right back to materials, right back to quoting. So we've got full traceability over it, and then the board behind us tells the guys what stage to do that work. So it tells them what their next jobs are, when they have to do those jobs, and then once they've finished their part of the job, they'll then record it on the data track on the computer, and then it will remove it from the board and go on to the next process.
Now the company's grown 3 times the size in less than a year. Has PSL grown with you then?
Yeah, it has. So without PSL, we wouldn't have been able to get to the stage we are at, how we are. So having PSL, the modules, the ease of use, the way you can tailor it to your requirements has really helped us get to where we are now.
I guess your product is absolutely Caffyn Engineering, what it's kind of developed into, so no one else could kind of take that on board. So it starts off in one way and it develops as your company is growing. Is that right?
Yeah. So you got a base modules, and but then you can expand on those. And like I said, you can tailor them to suit any way you want them to be. So for us, it's all about quick delivery, having visibility over our current workload to fit things in for our current customers, to keep everybody happy, to to be able to get them what they require when they require it. And PSL Datatrack certainly enables us to see that.
And something quite unique, you often have parts with your small batches that a part needs to be in and out in the same day. How does this back all of that up?
So yeah, we had it tailored so we could get, as soon as we raise a works order, it's on our status board. It's being processed, it shows we've got materials, it shows the gaps so we can fit it in the same day. So within a working day we can get orders in and out without any stress on the business or on the staff. Everybody can see what's going on, what they have to do, when it's got to be done by, and so it just flows through as a normal job, but in and out within a working day.
It's a good visual for everyone within the company. Ultimately then, PSL Datatrack, grown your business, helped you to grow your business. Would you recommend it to others, and why exactly within the world of manufacturing?
Yes, I would recommend it, absolutely, and it has grown with us, and it is a major part of the business. It runs our business in the way of administration. We still don't have administration staff because Datatrack is so efficient that we haven't needed to up till now, where we are currently looking to get admin, but we are managing very, very well, and without PSL we would never be where we are now.